Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period I taught you that what are the lines, ray or line segment. Okay, about that we taught in the previous period, and in today's class we are going to learn about the angles. Okay beta, angles means when the two rays meet at a point. Okay, ray means the line, ray means a line, a ray is the means which has a one vertex. Okay, ray means which has one, which can be extended only in one direction and one point will be the fixed, it is called ray. Okay, so what do we mean by the angle? When the two ray meet at a point like that, in this way. Okay, here two rays are there, they are meeting at a point. Okay, so this is known as the angle. This will make an angle. I am writing here angle. Okay, now this point where the two rays meet is known as the vertex. It is vertex. What we call this? Vertex. And these are called beta arms. These are called arms of the angle. Okay, arms of the angle. Okay, so here you just write that this definition is also written in your book, so it can be make in the lower or upper both the directions. Suppose we are making in this way, then it is also an angle. You have learned the angles and how to make the angles in the class 4th also. Okay, then it will be angle. Okay, see that these are arms. Okay, arms of the angle. It will be the where the two rays are meeting, it will known as the vertex of the angle. What is vertex of the angle? Okay, so today we are knowing about the all these things. Okay, now just see that an angle is formed by joining two rays at a point. Okay, two rays at a point. The point where two rays meet is called a vertex. Like that, here if I will give the name to them, suppose A, B and C. So I am writing that beta. B will be the vertex where the two rays are meeting. Okay, AB. Okay, it will be arms will be written from the vertex. We will start out with BA. BA and BC will be the arms of the angle. Okay, BA and BC will be the arms of the angle. This part beta, if the any point are lying like that, this is angle. Okay, and these are the points, different points. Suppose we have given them name P, Q, R and S. These are known, this part, these are the interior points of the angle. What these are? Interior points. Or if suppose W, X, Y, these are exterior of the angle. Exterior of the angle will be which points beta? W, X and Y. These points will lie exterior. Exterior means out of the angle. These points you can see that ये अंदर की तरफ को लाई कर रहे हैं, तो इनको क्या बोलेंगे? इंटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल. ओके, और इसको किससे डिनोट करेंगे बेटा? ए, बी और सी. सपोज इट वॉज ना, तो वेदर यू कैन राइट इन अ टू वे. इस एंगल को आप दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट इट एज एंगल बी. ओके, और यू कैन राइट इट एज एंगल ए बी सी. The meaning of both the angles will be same. It means vertex will come always in the middle. Vertex will come always in the middle. Suppose the angle is like that. Okay, and its name is WXY. How you will give its name? It can be written as this is means this is the sign of angle, angle X, or it can be written that angle WXY. Both the names are correct for this angle. Okay, both the names are correct for this angle. Maybe everybody of you have understood this. Okay, vertex will be beta, vertex will be X, and arms will be, I just now I explained you that the arms we will start from this point and write XW and XY as arms. Two arms. Vertex as X. नेम ऑफ द एंगल विल बी एंगल एक्स, मीन्स द वर्टेक्स विल कम एट द मिडिल वेदर, और या इसको किस तरीके से पढ़ा जाएगा, डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई, एंगल डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई, या तो इस तरीके से पढ़ा जाएगा या इस तरीके से भी पढ़ा सकते, यहाँ से भी लिख सकते हैं हम, एंगल वाई एक्स डब्ल्यू, एंगल वाई एक्स डब्ल्यू. सो इन थ्री वेज we can write the name of this angle. Okay, first if we are writing angle x, then also it is okay. If we are writing it as wxy, then it is also okay, and yxw also it is okay. Okay, so in three ways we can write the name of this angle. In the next exercise, the same thing we are going to do. We have to identify, the angles are given to us, we have to identify the name of the angle, interior and outer point of the angles, arms or the vertex, we have to write them. Okay, now we are going to solve exercise 12.2 today. See that beta, exercise 12.2, question number first. Identify the arms and the vertex of each angle. Also name the angles. Okay, arms beta, arms क्या होंगी, यहाँ से I told you that you will start from the vertex. Vertex will be where the two rays are meeting. Okay, where the two rays are meeting, that is at point W. So this will be as your vertex. Okay, arms will be beta WE, WE. Okay, make the symbol of ray on the above of the arms, or WS. These will be as the arms. Okay, name of the angle, from where I told you you can write the name of the angle, EWS, angle EWS, or angle SWE, angle SWE. Or if you have written angle W also, then also it will be correct, but here you have to write in a descriptive way. Okay, now come to this beta, arms. It is the where two rays are meeting, it will be the vertex, so write as C as vertex. Now start from C, CN arms. Okay, and CG as will be your arms of the angle. Okay, now name of the angle beta, start from here, GCN, angle GCN, or angle NCG, or angle NCG. In two ways you can write its name. Okay beta, now come to the next part. See that now beta, arms. First of all, go through the vertex where two points rays are meeting, that is C. Vertex will be C. Okay, arms will be beta, start from CA, make an arrow above it. Okay, means that is the symbol of arms. Okay, CA and CB as arms of the angle. Name of the angle beta, start from here, this point should become in the middle in the two ways, angle ACB, angle ACB. Okay, and angle BCA, angle BCA. Okay, now again see that arms. What will be the arms? First go through the vertex where two rays are meeting at point Q. So point Q will be as vertex Q. You will write this. Okay, then arms beta, start from here, QP and QR as arms. Name of the angle beta, start from Q should come at the middle, Q को middle में आना चाहिए. Start करो यहाँ से, PQR, angle PQR and angle RQP and angle R. Make the sign of angle also should be in front of that. Okay, angle RQP. In this way you will make it. Okay beta, so see that first complete in your book, and then by making the diagrams complete them in your copy also, because soon whenever the copies will be corrected, at that time all these works should be completed in your copy also. So beta, this last E part of this question I am leaving for you. You will do this question in your homework. Okay, you will perform this question yourself. Now come to the next question. Okay, and what is that beta? Write down the vertex and arms of the following angles. Okay beta, so first how you will do them I am going to tell you here. Okay, in copy I am making by the pen, but you don't follow me because I am making by pen so that it can be visible to you. You can see it very clearly, otherwise it can be blur. That's why I am making this in my copy by the pen. But I am again requesting you, please you will not do it by the pen in your copy. Okay beta, first question is, it is that write down the vertex and arms of the following angle. This time only the angle WER is given to us. Angle WER. So how it can be made beta? It means E will be vertex. So you can make any angle like that. Okay. So angle WER means E will be at the middle. So here E. From here it can be start W, E or R in this way. Okay. Now you have to write down vertex and arms for the following. What will be the vertex beta? The middle point will be the vertex. So vertex will be E. Arms will be, start from here, EW or ER. EW or ER will be as your arms of the angle. Okay. Now see that B, angle AOC. AOC. So make O will be at the middle. Like that I have made it. O, here A will be there, here C will be there. Now vertex will be beta meeting point of two rays O. Here two rays are meeting. Okay. Then you have to write arms. Arms will be beta angle, no sorry, OA and OC will be as arms. So how simply you can see that you can do these kind of question. Okay, 3 part I am doing for this question, and 2 part you will do yourself. Then C part is beta MNO, angle MNO. So how you will do? N will be at the middle, so make an angle according to your convenience. Okay, right here N, here M and here O. Okay beta. Now meeting point of two rays will be the vertex. So vertex will be beta N, and arms will be start from here NM or NO will be as arms. So see that in this way D and E part from this question you will do yourself. Okay, see that how I have done. Maybe everybody of you have understood how I am doing. Okay, so these question you will do yourself. Okay, now see that beta, refer to this figure. This is question number 3rd. This and this part I left for you. You will do these questions in your homework. Refer to this figure and name the points which are. Okay beta, in the interior of the angle. एंगल के अंदर जो हैं कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? ओनली दिस इज आई डोंट नो, इट इज एल, मे बी इट इज एल रिटन. इफ एल इज देयर, एंगल पॉइंट एल एंड बी आर, दीज टू आर इंटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल. ये दोनों क्या हैं? एंगल के अंदर हैं, इंटीरियर में. ओके, सो राइट देयर नेम्स हियर इन दिस आंसर. ओके, इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल, जो पॉइंट एक्सटीरियर है, बाहर है एंगल के, कौन कौन से हैं बेटा? सी and Y. Point C and Y are the exterior of the angle. C point is that on the angle, एंगल के ऊपर, यानी जहाँ एंगल बन रहा है उन पर कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? यहाँ देखो, पॉइंट Z है, पॉइंट X है और पॉइंट A है. ओके, कौन कौन से हैं? पॉइंट Z है, पॉइंट X है एंड पॉइंट A are on the angle. Okay, so in this way, 3rd question also interior में these two. Okay, outer C and Y and on the angle are point beta Z, X and A. Okay, so till here, till 12.2 you will complete. Okay, in today's class, and in next class I will teach you how to make the angle. Last year also I taught you, but this year again I am going to teach you how to make the angle. Okay, and along with this class, in today's class I am providing you the PDF of the previous chapter, previous completed chapter. Okay, so you will complete your work till there. ओके वहाँ तक का वर्क सबका अब कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए मेरे PDF प्रोवाइड कराने के बाद में, और इसको अब पहले अपनी बुक पर कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड देन यू विल कंप्लीट इन योर कॉपी ऑल्सो बाय मेकिंग द फिगर्स. ओके, टिल दैट थैंक यू एंड जय गुरुदेव टू ऑल ऑफ यू बेटा.